Hi, I am Michael from Jamaica, and in my head, I have the stock recommendations for your financial independence, man. Today's video will be an update on the VIPSHOP Holdings. Since the all-time high of 23rd of March 2021, the VIPS share has been on the way down. What is happening right now? Is the company really that bad? I will try to find an answer to that question today. I'll also show you how our investment has developed since our entry on the 28th of May 2021. If this topic interests you, then stay tuned. After the rich disclaimer, we continue. If you don't know our basic topic on this video yet, you can find it on our YouTube channel under the name VIPSHOP Stock Analysis. Above me, you can see the corresponding codes for trading on the various exchanges. Since the 24th of March, the share price of VIPSHOP has been falling at a pace that has brought tears to the eyes of the invested shareholder. So, what happened? Well, the first sell-off from the 24th of March to the 26th of March was due to the collapse of Archegos Capital Management. The collapse of this major investor forced the VIPS share price from its all-time high of $46 to a low of $24.98. You can find more details in our video VIP stock analysis. Since this almost 50% sell-off had nothing to do with VIPSHOP itself, it looked for a while as if the price would recover, but by the 19th of May at the latest, this hope finally died. This was caused by two macroeconomic events. On the one hand, the discussion about the Chinese ADRs listed on the US stock exchange intensified, and on the other hand, the restrictions imposed by the Chinese government on its own economic enterprises began to reinforce. This difficult macroeconomic environment is responsible for the massive losses in the value of Chinese companies. And of course, this also affects VIPSHOP. After the results for the second quarter, UBS downgraded the VIPS shares from buy to hold. And in its reasoning, the UBS was disappointed above all by the forecast growth of only 5%, 10%. In addition, EPS was missed by 9.89%. This corresponds to $0.04. But all other results were convincing. For example, our profits increased by 30 million and revenues rose by 22.8%. The number of active users also increased by 32% year on year. Particularly interesting for shareholders is the share buyback program of $500 million, which has been decided in March. In the second quarter, ADRs were brought back for $300 million. This demonstrates confidence in the robustness of the company's own business model and gives cause for optimism for the future. Let's summarize. VIPSHOP is a strong company that is in a good financial position. Overall, its turnover is slowing down, but its profitability is steadily improving. Looking at operative earnings and free cash flow, the company appears to be highly undervalued. VIPSHOP still has substantial cash resources. This gives the company the ability to realize growth opportunities at any time. Because of its smaller size compared to Tencent or Alibaba, VIPSHOP can fly under the radar of Chinese regulatory authorities, and the company is receiving additional tailwind from the ongoing COVID-19 threat and related lockdowns. So, know what? Does it make sense to buy VIPSHOP shares now? Probably not, but keep an eye on the shares of this little known Chinese online retailer. Based on the current price level, VIPSHOP could soon turn out to be an insider tip. Well, now let's look at the daily chart. I'll show you what happened to our investment. Well, as described in the basic video VIP stock analysis, We entered the market on the 28th of May with a small partial position, but by the 19th of July at the latest, it became clear that our assessment of the market was unfortunately too euphoric. We placed a sell order at the previous local low of 17.10. The order was executed 4 days later on the 23rd of July, and we left the market with a small loss. So what happened next? Well, we are still standing on this starting line, waiting for our chance. The trend line has been broken upwards, which makes us optimistic and is our first good sign. And a subordinate intact upward trend has formed, but we will wait for our first buy order until the price has sustainably overcome 18.33. At this year will continue to be highly volatile. In the future, we are planning to cut our positions into thirds. Our targets are 23.50 and 29.50. Well, so much for VIP shop. Have fun and good luck with your investment. Finally, listener man, I would like to draw your attention to a new development in September. Listener, in September we start a new video series, how to grow a small account. We want to show you how to make your way to financial freedom with long-term investments and short-term trading strategies. Hey, to ensure a regular cash flow, we pay attention to dividend yields and sell options as calls or puts. I will explain to you why we made which trade or investment. So watch our $25,000 account grow. At the end of 2025, we will draw our first conclusion, and by 2030, we want to have achieved our goal. Yes, man, and you can be a part of it from the very beginning. Hey, if this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We are also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence. Yeah, man. Hey.